integrated, 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 concepts, 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 recognize, 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 variety, 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 comprehensive, 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 value, 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 evaluate, 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 planning, planning, planning.
Hi, it's a new day and thank you for stopping by. Today is actually the 26th day of our 31 days journey in case you're just joining me, and if you're my returning subscriber, you're so welcome to yet another video. Anyways, without wasting most of our time, let's dive straight into today's lesson.
Strategy, 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 discipline, 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 combines, 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 provide, 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 clarity, 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 consistency, 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 marketing, 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 added, 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 general, 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 advertising, 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 direct, 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 response, 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 promotion, 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 public, 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 relation, 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 impact, 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 maximum, 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 seamless, 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 discreet, 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 messages, 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 true, 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 brand, 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 different, 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 similar, 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 approach, 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 together, 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 create, 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 experience, 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 customer, 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 style, 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 presented, 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 where, 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 reinforce, 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 this, this. So these are the possible two-letter, three-letter, and four-letter words we're going to see on today's comprehension. So we have them: is, of, to, is, of, to. The letters we have D, for, and, are. And four letters we have that, plan, row, mood, work, call, tone, wait. Again, that, plan, row, mood, work, call, tone, wait. Okay, so this is the outcome of our today's words pronunciation. So let's read together. The topic of today's comprehension is integrated marketing communication. Integrated marketing communication. Integrated marketing communication is a concept of marketing communications planning that recognizes the added value of a comprehensive plan that evaluates the strategic roles of a variety of communications disciplines. Again, integrated marketing communication is a concept of marketing communications planning that recognizes the added value of a comprehensive plan that evaluates the strategic roles of a variety of communications disciplines. For example, general advertising, direct response, sales promotion, and public relations, and combines these disciplines to provide clarity, consistency, and maximum impact through the seamless integration of discrete messages. IMC is the approach to brand communication where the different modes work together to create a seamless experience for the customer and are presented with a similar tone. Again, for example, general advertising, direct response, sales promotion, and public relations, and combines these disciplines to provide clarity, consistency, and maximum impact through the seamless integration of discrete messages. IMC is the approach to brand communication where the different modes work together to create a seamless experience for the customer and are presented with a similar tone and style that reinforces the brand's core message and style that reinforces the brand's core message.
Don't forget to take a very good care of yourself. Keep staying safe and bye for now.